NPP State President Preston Tinsong on Wednesday said that there is no truth in the report that the party plans to replace with former MP Agatha Sangma if the present Rajya Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi decides to quit before his 6-year term expire in 2026. While speaking to reporters, Tinsong said that he would like to know how such a report came out and on what basis. When asked if Dr. Kharlukhi decided to quit on personal grounds, he said that if it is personal grounds, then it is a different case. The MPP state president, however, maintained that it should be through proper channels.
Resign for what? No, but balay yun. Ya kata tengam tip. Laga kadon kum kata personal issue, personal problem, kata kaya. We tak madeban ya through purpose ko. Deban ha ya kajing bertip dari kajing kerpat dari ka city let's say. Sya authority job party tantang ila.